Man, do I got a custom build for y'all today. This one's going on man Joey. Fridge 60 with some burners on it. Now, I know y'all seen before, normally we mount our burners on the back side. Joey said, nah, I want something a little different. I want to mount it out front. I was a little worried about it, make it look kind of goofy, but I think it came out slick. So we got our double 10-inch cast iron burners underneath here. Of course, a 1/4-inch plate steel removable griddle top. That way, pull that up off of there. You got 2 burners, set your pot or pan up there, or griddle top, wear out some smash burgers. Did a little shelf out front with some cup holders. Got your double regulator there. On our off-road package, of course, now he did get our 3D fabricated axles as well. Off-road package, upgraded wheels and tires. Got the bronze Falcons on this bad boy. Now he did change up to the copper accents on the smoker as well. Open this up and see inside, guys. On the fridge, you get 3 sliding trays in there. This one's 60 by 24 inches deep. A lot of cook room in this bad boy. Now this is a reverse flow pit, so you got your 3 removable plates down in here that directs the heat all the way across and then back out of the stack. He also added the thermometer eyebrows here, stainless steel front shelf, stainless steel logo. All right, dirty hands, clean money. Y'all know the deal. He's a lineman. Open up the hot box here. So guys, with the Fridge 60, you get an extra large hot box, has over 2,000 square inches of cook space. 5 sliding trays in here, removable plate with the daisy wheels in there, allows you to control the temperature independent. Then on the firebox, it's got our insulated firebox, fire magnet cradle in there. He has got a propane assist burner in there as well. D-ring tie downs on all 4 corners, makes it easy to strap down. So that is my man Joey's Fridge 60 rolling out today, guys. Y'all know the deal. If you need a custom pit built, you know to call Team G Pits, Knoxville, Tennessee.